excited to share her try the Ultimate Skin Spa from Vanity Planet. This was all the rage about a year or two ago, and I got my hands on it. Of course, I shopped through my own shopping portal, and I was able to get cash back for these amazing products that you can use every day. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in the comments, but back to the Vanity Planet. So, as you know, throw that old washcloth out. Like, we don't need washcloths anymore. It's all about finding different tools, face brushes, exfoliating systems, skin spa at your own home so that you can get that glam and that glow, but in your own home and without paying thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars to sit under somebody's chair. Yes, that's important, but we want to make sure that we're doing all the steps that we can do in our own home. So, the Vanity Planet. It came in this huge, cute case, which I was so excited about because I was like, where am I going to put it at? How are you going to house it? But it has its own case. Isn't that amazing? A couple of different choices, but I chose this one because of the type of brushes that came with it, and it came with the 3 brushes. So, your Vanity Planet obviously comes with the brush. Like I said, we're throwing the washcloths in the trash. So, obviously, it comes with the actual brush. And this is what that looks like. It comes with 3 brush attachments. This is the first brush attachment. I love this one. This one's your daily cleaning brush. Let me actually look and see. So this is specifically for kind of tender and sensitive skin. I absolutely love this one. So for the best results, how I do it is you're going to moisten your face, and then I put 1 pump of my cleanser onto the daily cleansing brush, and I go ahead and turn it on, Exhibit A. That's the slow speed too. Oh my gosh, the water's getting everywhere. Blooper. It's got 2 different speeds. One is a little bit slow and the other's a little bit fast. I really don't do it too fast, but this is the daily cleaning brush. I love this one. This is perfect for just kind of removing all that dirt and impurities. Like I said, it does have 2 more in this cute little case. So this one is the next one, and they kind of pop out really cute. This is the exfoliating brush, and you just pop that on. This one's not wet, so we can go 2 spins. So that's the first setting, and then that's the second setting. So you see it's a little bit faster. I do like this one. I don't use it that often. When I do use this, so what I'm doing is going ahead and using the daily cleansing brush just to get the actual cleanser onto my face, the product onto my face. And then I use the second one just to get a little bit more exfoliation. If your skin's really sensitive, you want to always go with that first setting. You can try the second setting if you want to, but my skin is very sensitive to a lot of exfoliation. So I pretty much stick with the first setting, but I do use the daily brush. This one, I love this. Now this brush head, this is the silicone brush. Now as you can see, it's like really plasticky. It's no bristles. I mean, it's no kind of soft bristles. And the same thing, the first speed, if we can get our life together. And then the second speed. This I use on a completely on wet skin, and after I've done my daily cleansing, like after I've cleansed my skin, then I'll go in with the just the silicone brush. And it says here the silicone brush is for a deep but gentle clean, and it's to kind of unclog the pores. And everything you want to do with your skin, you're massaging the skin. And when you massage the skin, just like anything else, when you're massaging your bones, you're doing yoga, you're stretching, all of that, you stretch your skin too. And you want to massage it because that brings that youthfulness back out of it, because the skin is a muscle. So you always want to make sure that you're massaging to release those particles and actually just kind of renew the skin. I love this skin spa. I love Vanity Planet. It was actually amazing. I believe I paid, I'll put the price down and everything in the comments. And I did get cash back for it. Like I told you, I get cash back on majority of my lifestyle needs. And I will put the link to get cash back for you too as well. You're going to sign up with your email so that you can constantly get sales and specials and actually get cash back on your lifestyle. That's a beautiful thing. You get cash back to look amazing. I tear everything up, so I'm so sorry. I get so excited to get my products out. I just like rip it up and tear it up. So you do get a pamphlet that kind of tells you about all the different brushes. It tells you that they do replacement services if something happens to your brush. and all of that. Let me see how to cleanse it. When I'm cleansing the brushes, I use my snap cleaner, which is right here. I use my snap cleaner for anything. I do get cash back on the snap cleaner too. Little dollop of this because it is a concentrate, and I'll rub the brush heads, rub all the brush heads, clean them off really good, rinse them really good, and just leave them there to air dry. And that's so easy. This again is the Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa. It is absolutely amazing. If you're using a washcloth, throw it away. We don't use washcloths on our face anymore. You are too cute. Your face slays, and you need to upgrade your lifestyle, your face, and your slay. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll put everything about the Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa in the comments, and how I can save cash back, how you can save cash back. Everybody gets cash back. Everybody gets cash back. I'll put all that in the comments, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and kisses for her tribe. Peace.